I called Guardian Roofing to have my roof cleaned and gutters cleaned, along with a moss treatment. I was worried about the longevity of my roof and was noticing every time I was walking up some moss creeping in under shingles. So I called and had a prompt quote, and the person that came out was really helpful. They took a lot of pictures of my roof, explained the whole process of the roof cleaning and treatment. I was really appreciative of the fact that I didn't feel like I was being oversold, that they were explaining exactly what I needed and not trying to sell me a whole re-roof. On the day of the service, the technicians came out, and I think it was around 12 o'clock in the afternoon on one of the hottest days of the year. But they got up there and did an incredible amount of hard work. And I was really impressed that they managed to get everything done in the time that they got it done. And overall, I was really happy with that experience. And again, they showed me pictures of all the work they did. And it was clear that they did a really high quality job. I would recommend Guardian Roofing to all my family and friends.